AI going to take our jobs?
Certainly yours. I don't know about mine.
I'm not sure if I will take our jobs, but I can tell you one thing for sure. I will continue to redefine how we live, think, and interact with the world. It's an exciting time to be alive and witness the amazing changes AI will bring.
Going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
And so we'll import Chinese-based CBDC technology. So it's going to be CBDC in a box provided to you by the People's Bank of China.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, the New World Order book shows you how the world really works, and it is definitely time for you to wake up out of that sleep, especially in the times that we're in right now. Now, guys, I told you in 2023 in the first quarter, we would get an event. And now we have the banking collapse, which the master magicians pulled off the perfect distraction. And at the end of the third quarter, going into the fourth quarter, guys, we're going to have another main event. Now, of course, the markets will still pump and dump until we get that next crisis. Guys, we know they're going to pull that rug. And all we have to do is watch the Fed to know exactly when that's about to happen. And also, guys, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. Guys, if you're not a part of the Patreon, make sure you're donating to the channel through the actual Cash App. We all know this channel is shadow banned. Now, guys, in my Patreon, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events, and then also I give you the New World Order cryptos. But, of course, you have to do your own research. But, guys, this next Bitcoin and crypto bull run is going to be a utility run. So you want to make sure you have the cryptos that have real utility. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
And guys, right now we have Bitcoin and cryptos pulling back. We know we have back today, and we normally get a spike in CME trading that helps CME and Bitcoin futures contracts expiring. We know before back was in the middle of the month, and we knew we were going to be taking a dump at the end of the month. They pushed back towards the end of the month along with CME futures. So as we can see, volume spikes, and that helps out with Bitcoin and Ethereum contracts. But guys, we're definitely seeing a lot of real use cases. And we know while the sheep sleep, the NWO is building. Make sure you go watch the video I did last night. Guys, we know the robots, algorithms, and drones are about to replace humanity, and the sheep are definitely going inside the metaverse. Now we have H.C. Wainwright, New York Investment Bank says crypto winter is over. And guys, do I believe that? No, I do not. I'm not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Guys, we know the goal, and that's the 4th Industrial Revolution. And we know we're in a fragmented world. Like World Economic Forum, Klaus, and BlackRock, Larry Fink say. That means they have to break up the current global system in order to bring in the new one. And that includes the current markets. We know the Fed is going to start shrinking up this liquidity. That's the reason why they're going to keep rates higher, so therefore they can destroy the current system. Now we have JP Morgan says tokenization is the killer app for TradeFi. And guys, we know DeFi is definitely the new banking, but everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. Now, like I stated, guys, at the end of the week, this week would be a roller coaster ride. So guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates which are moving up. And if they keep moving up, and then plus the dollar is moving up, we know markets are going to have a pullback. And then, of course, guys, we have Tether USDC. And we have Circle launches cross-chain USD transfer protocol for Ethereum and Avalanche. And we also have Circle's CEO warns of active and accelerating de-dollarization. But guys, we know that's all part of the plan. And speaking of those who are doing the planning, that's right, guys, we have the Fed. Repo at $2.2 trillion, and we know they're raising rates and running off the balance sheet in order to destroy this legacy market, so therefore the fourth industrial revolution can rise. Whether robots, algorithms, and drones take the economy over, pay each other with crypto, and the sheep go inside the metaverse. But guys, we know first they have to bring in the crisis in order to distract the people. And we know they cause the problem, wait for the reaction, and run in with the solution. And they printed all this money to cause inflation. So therefore, they could raise rates to fight the inflation that they cause, which in return is going to destroy small banks, which is going to destroy small businesses, which is going to put people out of work. So then therefore they can run in with the solution, the machines. And to keep the people quiet, what are they going to do? Airdrop that free money. But little do the people know, this money is going to be programmable, telling you what, where, and when and how to buy. And you have 3 to 6 months to spend it or poof, it's gone. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now, guys, don't forget about Grayscale, sending about $23.7 billion. And then again, guys, we have Bitcoin CME futures tomorrow. Bitcoin, micro Bitcoin futures, Ethereum, and micro Ethereum futures. But getting over into a little crypto news, we have California approves blockchain-based digital wallet for government services, and pilot begins July 2023. And guys, we know this is all part of the NWO's plan. This is the same playbook. We know they go out and test first and then move it across the country. Now, we have Hong Kong security regulator to issue crypto license guidelines in May. And remember, guys, Hong Kong is nothing but an extension of China. And guys, remember, China is using Hong Kong to access the rest of the globe, at the same time keeping China, the mainland, on lock. Now we have Franklin Templeton expands his on-chain money market fund to Polygon. And lastly, guys, we have Neobank introduces soul-bound NFT for wallet holders KYC information. And guys, those who've been with me from the beginning know I tell you the NFTs are nothing but digital IDs. And you add that in with social media, your profile pic on social media is going to be your digital ID. For your social credit, your social shopping, your social working. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books. Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The stock channel, guys. Don't forget to go like, subscribe, spread everywhere. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the Xrp, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.